up to 5, 6, 10 years ago, the most common complaint that people used to hear about, I can't get 2 drugs from 2 different companies. Very difficult to get this through different companies. Yeah, and it was true. It was very legal, strategic, and confidentiality burdens that you cannot get 2 drugs from 2 different companies to combine. And now, because, as I mentioned to you, there's 600 drugs or so, most of them have marginal or limited single agent activity. If you can come up with an idea that is sort of convincing to say, well, listen, I'd like to use your drug with someone else's drug because I have beautiful data that suggests that this combination is going to be probably a winning combination. We're seeing more and more receptiveness for this because they want to see their drug move forward and be beneficial to patients. And so these burdens right now and hurdles are really disappearing gradually, which is nice. Pharmaceutical companies is the only probably industry in the world that tolerate 90% failure rate. And they think this is normal. Yeah? The excuse always why drugs are expensive because they say, well, there's a high failure rate. 9 out of 10 fail, but we invested 100 million. That should not be the norm. And I think if you start focusing more and more on mechanism-based strategies, biomarkers and so forth, then the success rate will go up. And then we think that should translate into lower cost of future treatments.